Say what's going on? It's your boy Jonte Grove, and this is the Winners Podcast. And we're gonna do something different today. We're gonna do some flea market flips, something I've seen that my boy Gary Vee do. So we're gonna check it out. I mean, something different. We might get lucky and find a gumball machine out here. You never know. But we at the Quaker City Flea Market. It's a lot of people. It's outside. It's a nice day. I got the family. So let's see what we get.
I would say lots of toys.
Lots of toys. Joe, what about you, man? What you looking for?
Toy!
Toys?
It's like a toy store here. Daddy, look outside. What else? Oh. If you guys
And look at these guys over here.
Addison! Come here!
Joe, I know you're super excited, buddy.
Addison, come here. Addison, I got something that's scary. Daddy, that's... Yo, that's creepy. Wait, what about... We can... Let's see.
Joe, look. Joe, come here. Come here. All right. That was a bust. It was a bust. There was nothing in there. It was a bust. Now, the kids was able to get some toys, so... Right, a bunch of Hot Wheels and candy. Yeah, that was a strange deal, Addison. But other than that, it was like nothing in there. And cars. But I'm guessing maybe because it's still kind of early, it wasn't really a lot of vendors out. And oh, my wife found a slide Fisher Price thing, so that's on the roof. So that was cool, but I didn't see anything cool. I was hoping maybe find something, but it is what it is. It was a bust. You know, my dad used to say, when we used to go to these flea markets, used to walk up and down the aisles and go chunk, 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 chunk. And I'm like, that's disrespectful, but that's how I felt. Like it was chunk, 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 chunk. But, hey, it is what it is. This is a different kind of video. I don't know. Thought I could get my Gary Vee on. Not today. So, if you like more of these kind of videos where we take these little outings, hit the comments up, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Don't forget, I got a link to the podcast, got a link to the Facebook and the Instagram at the bottom. Show your boys some love, and we out.